In this video, we're just going to be doing some light cable management. All right, let's get into it. This is for my audio interface. So microphone cables, speaker cables, and USB. There's just a hole in the desk and it just kind of clean cable management a little bit. These hooks right here are new and I want to talk about those. I'm just measuring that they're 2 inches here just to kind of keep it consistent. And I'm using a pilot bit just to make it really easy when I screw in these hooks. All right. So all these cables will be going on those hooks as you're seeing right here. This very last hook is where, again, now it's going to go into the computer nice and clean. So this right here is power, right? And then these are low voltage. So typically we don't want to put power with low voltage. So I will run different hooks and I'll put one right there. And again, these top ones will be for power and the other ones will be for low voltage. Now, these tie wraps are powerful, but just be careful with too many tie wraps and making them too tight. Sometimes it's hard when it comes to adding and removing cables. It makes it annoying. And you don't have to put them on super tight either, just to kind of contain them. The top one is for power. The bottom one is for low voltage. And then again, look how it's plugging into the computer. It'll be nice and clean. All right. So here are some power bars. This is a cool trick. On the back of power bars, there is a slot for screws. So I just put screws into the side of the desk. And this one right here is for my lights and cameras. You won't need that. But when it comes to speakers, this is how I turn on my speakers. So I don't have to go in behind to turn them on. I simply do it from right there. This is a power conditioner. This is what I power my whole studio off of, which I'll talk about in the next video, which is all about power in the studio, because that's where it all starts. It all starts with power. So again, much cleaner, got a lot of the wires off the ground when it plugs into the computer. Now, when I want to vacuum or clean or even just go behind, it's easy. This right here is for my audio interface. All these cables are going to be plugging into my computer screens, so like HDMI, DisplayPort, power, and I have all my cables run for my speakers. So also one thing to say, just because I have speaker stands doesn't mean that they're amazing. They actually resonate pretty hard, which I'll talk about in another video. In the next video, we will be talking about power management in the home studio. So I'll talk to you in the next one of this Studio Reassemble series. Visit me over at itsgratuitous.com. Are you looking for an easy way to learn how to actually make beats with FL Studio? Check out my FL Studio Beginners book. Just go to itsgratuitous.com/beginner.